What is the process to check bank account activity status?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore how you can check your bank account activity status. This is a vital aspect of managing your personal finances, helping you keep tabs on your financial health and detect any unauthorized activity. It's a fairly straightforward process, and with this guide, you'll be able to do it with ease. Remember, regular checks can help ensure your financial safety.
What is bank account activity status?
Your bank account activity status gives you a detailed overview of the transactions that have taken place in your account over a specific period. This can include deposits, withdrawals, transfers, fees charged, and more. Regularly checking your account activity is crucial for detecting fraudulent transactions, keeping track of your spending, and understanding your financial habits better.
Online banking, the easiest way to check.
Online banking is the most convenient way to check your account activity status. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Register for online banking. If you haven't already, register for your bank's online services. This typically involves creating a username and a secure password. 2. Log into your account. Once registered, log into your online banking account using the credentials you've set. 3. Navigate to account activity. Typically, there's a tab or button labeled Account Activity, Transaction History, or something similar. Click on this. 4. Review your transactions. Here, you'll see a list of your recent transactions. Review this list carefully to ensure all activity is familiar.
Mobile banking, checking on the go.
Just like online banking, mobile banking is a convenient tool to check your account activity. Most banks offer mobile apps that you can download and log into using your banking credentials. The process is very similar to online banking. You navigate to your account activity or transaction history to review your recent transactions.
Traditional methods, visiting a branch or ATM.
If online or mobile banking isn't your preference, there are still traditional ways to check your account activity. 1. Visit your bank branch. A bank teller can provide you with a printout of your recent transactions. 2. ATM. Many ATMs allow you to print a mini statement showing your latest transactions. Checking your bank account activity is a key step in managing your finances and safeguarding against fraudulent activity. Whether you prefer online banking, mobile banking, or more traditional methods, the process is relatively straightforward. Regular checks of your account activity are an essential habit for good financial health. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to check your bank account activity status.